What's up guys, it's me Vilkas. Today for you guys I have an Airsoft video. This is the first day I'm back playing Airsoft since I broke my leg, so I was taking it easy. I was literally walking around on the field, and for some reason the enemy team was just not paying attention to me at all. Maybe it's because I was sauntering around, I have no idea, but I was literally able to walk to the center of the field. This game mode here, we're just playing King of the Hill. You had to take over the center little compound, and I just walked right up to it. Granted, my team was already there, but the enemy team was up on the left side, up on the hill, sort of, with all the tires.
What's up, guys?
And then no one was watching the left side.
Hey, you guys can't camp the. You can't shoot at spawn.
So what are we supposed to do?
You gotta let them come out. I know it's a stupid rule. I like the rule where you can come up and just take the spawn, and then it's game over.
So what are we supposed to do?
You gotta wait. Shots. You gotta wait till they get out of the spawn.
Alright, stay right there. I'll cover you. I'll see you.
Yeah, I'm right here. Thanks. I got him.
After sitting around at the center of the map, I decided, you know what, I think it's time for us just to end the game. Like I said, we're not supposed to be able to just take over the spawn, but I decided, you know what, I'm just going to walk in there and just take it, because no one's watching the right side of the field.
I'm just gonna end the game by getting their spawn. I'm tired of this. I'm just gonna end the game here. Bank kill. Bank kill. That's game. I took spawn, that's game.